Okay, so this is a job where a customer messaged me on Facebook Marketplace and wanted to know if the MudMixer would be a good choice for mixing the concrete into the little 2x4 frames that he built, which he's going to use as stepping block going from the front of the house to the back of the house. So after he provided me with details about his plan, I told him that the MudMixer would be the perfect tool for the walkway he's planning on making. When I arrived on site, all the prep work had already been completed, so all we had to do was load the concrete bags into the machine. Okay, so we got a nice little project here. Gonna be using the MudMixer. So I typically charge $350 to bring the MudMixer on site within a 30 to 40 mile radius, which also includes assisting the customer with anything they need. Since the customer had no experience working with concrete, I had to bring some of my tools to help him get started. As you can see, we're starting up the MudMixer and making sure that the mix turned out just right. Since we're using the chute extension for this one, we need to make the mix slightly wetter to ensure that the concrete flows more smoothly. The customer forgot to bring the remesh for the concrete, so now it's more difficult for me to push it in. After trying a few different approaches, we were finally able to get the remesh into the concrete. While the concrete is still fresh, it's the ideal time to screed it, ensuring the surface is level and smooth and free of any high or low spots. To screed, simply use a straight 2x4 board and drag it across the concrete surface, moving in a sawing motion from one end of the form to the other. Okay, so we got almost all of these rectangle filled up. Just gotta do a finishing on it and close it with a broom finish. Alright, so we're looking at this beautiful walkway that's gonna be finished up. We're almost at the end of it, and still got to do the edge here, but it's looking good so far. Just got a little bit more to go. It's gonna be a nice walkway once that's done. Alright, back to work. As you can see, the best way to get the concrete to flow into the smaller form was to make the mix a bit wetter, and all it took was a simple turn of the knob on the MudMixer. If you enjoy this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. It's a little dark, but this is the complete job pretty much. So it's a pretty big walkway, but once it's all dry, it's gonna look good.